In late August 2005, a massive storm began brewing over the Atlantic. Hurricane Katrina would soon become one of the most devastating natural disasters in U.S. history. Katrina intensified rapidly, reaching Category 5 status as it approached the Gulf Coast. On August 29, Katrina made landfall near New Orleans, Louisiana, bringing with it catastrophic winds and heavy rain. The storm surge overwhelmed levees, leading to extensive flooding in New Orleans and surrounding areas. Entire neighborhoods were submerged, and residents sought refuge on rooftops, waiting for rescue. Thousands of evacuees sought shelter in the Superdome and Convention Center, where conditions quickly deteriorated. Survivors recounted harrowing tales of escape and the struggle to find safety and basic necessities. Text on screen: Hurricane Katrina caused over $125 billion in damage, making it one of the costliest hurricanes in U.S. history. Relief efforts were massive, with volunteers and aid organizations working tirelessly to provide food, water, and medical care. Today, New Orleans stands as a symbol of resilience, having rebuilt stronger and more prepared for future challenges. Hurricane Katrina's impact led to major changes in disaster response and preparedness, ensuring that the lessons learned continue to protect future generations.